Want to start making money fast? AI technology is now doing the hard work for you. And in today's video, I'm revealing 5 AI tools that can help you build wealth almost instantly. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or scale your business, these AI tools will give you a major edge. Stay till the end for a bonus tool that can change everything. First up, ChatGPT. If you're into freelance writing or content creation, this AI tool can help you generate articles, social media posts, or even entire ebooks in minutes. Writers are using ChatGPT to take on more clients, saving time and boosting their income without breaking a sweat. Whether you're writing copy, product descriptions, or blog posts, ChatGPT can handle the grunt work, freeing you to scale your business or side hustle. Next is Jasper AI. If you're in marketing, you need this tool. Jasper helps you craft persuasive email campaigns, social media ads, and sales copy that convert like crazy. You can even tailor your messages to different customer segments in seconds. Marketers who leverage Jasper AI are seeing massive gains in sales without spending hours writing or hiring expensive copywriters. Imagine what you could do with this level of automation. MidJourney is your go-to AI tool if you want to dive into the world of digital art and NFTs. With MidJourney, you can create high-quality, unique artwork in minutes, perfect for selling as NFTs or digital products. NFTs are hot right now, and people are using MidJourney to generate exclusive pieces that sell for thousands. It's an incredible opportunity for artists and entrepreneurs alike. If affiliate marketing is your thing, then Copy.ai is your secret weapon. It helps you write high-converting product descriptions, emails, and blog content to drive affiliate sales. You can create compelling copy for product reviews, recommendations, and even email sequences in no time. Affiliate marketers are seeing their conversion rates soar thanks to AI-generated content that speaks directly to buyers. The best part? Copy.ai does the heavy lifting so you can focus on making sales. Finally, let's talk Synthesia. This AI tool helps you create professional videos with AI avatars. If you're in the video marketing space or running an online course, you can create high-quality, engaging videos without being on camera yourself. Great for product demos, explainer videos, or even YouTube content. Synthesia makes video production so much faster and cheaper, allowing you to build an income stream from video content with minimal effort. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can help you build instant wealth. From writing and marketing to digital art and video production, these tools make money-making faster and easier than ever. And as promised, here's the bonus tool, Pictory AI. Pictory helps you turn long-form content like blog posts into quick, engaging videos, perfect for YouTube or social media. It's a huge time saver for content creators looking to repurpose their content. If you found these tools helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more AI tips that can transform your business. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.